y'all, we're here at the Grove in Biloxi, Mississippi. We're just down the street from so many amazing shops, restaurants, parks, and so much more. This community features some amazing amenities such as a swimming pool and a clubhouse. Today, we'll be looking at a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom unit. Let's go take a look.
Come on in. When you walk in, there's the spacious living room. Outside, there's a balcony with a storage closet. Back inside, you'll find the dining room, a coat closet, the fully equipped kitchen with granite countertops and stainless steel appliances, and the laundry room. Off of the living space, there's a linen closet, and at the end of the hall, you'll find the spacious bedroom, which features 2 closets and an ensuite bathroom with a vanity area and a soaking tub. This community has a fitness center and a clubhouse with a seating area and a coffee bar. Outside, you'll find the swimming pool, a fire pit hangout area, and a grill area. Click the link below to book your tour today.